O menteri dang ba jala kona ke sama lo am gajing tho menteri barem kuska jala ba el hek hading gajing sha set yap ojinus kutri barem ka HLC ba HLC fil thank you ki pulet kalong gajing kran gajing sosi wajin dukha masem long ro gajing kran ba el hek MLA ka BJP na patharom khra kade hading gajing sha wagna jong u na kanhun menteri hak bla thung we pat MLA na kate party hi ba samba chulai.
I have no comments to mention on what Mr. A.L. Hek has been mentioning, and his remarks are coming in a very sorry way, I should say, because after the party and the party high command has decided that based on the agreement that they had, and after I received communication in writing from the party, the minister was changed and Mr. Sanbao Shulai was given the time that was left as per their agreement within their party. So therefore, maybe this is just a reaction to that, and a lot of comments have been coming out. But I would again urge Mr. A.L. Hek to act in a much more professional and much more mature manner. This is not the way that we deal with things. Those are internal party matters of theirs. They should resolve it, and it should not be reflected on the government. He is an advisor to the Chief Minister, and he should take the post seriously and advise in a proper manner.